Hi, I'm Rebecca Mink from Mink Shoes, and I'm here to show you good shoes for traveling in. Well, of course, you always have fall, winter, and spring, summer, so you want to make sure that you're traveling in something that's good on the other end and make sure that you have shoes that's ready for the elements. So I'm going to show you a little bit of both. So if you're going into a boot, you would like to make sure that you're able to get the shoe on and off easy. Of course, with airport security, we need to make sure of that. So if you're wearing a boot, you want to make sure that it has a zipper, so you can get it in and out, not laces, because that might take quite a long time. One that you could just slide on and off, and also make sure that it's a boot that's quite comfortable for you so that you don't end up with expansion of the foot and not able to get the boot on. So then another thing that's really fun to do is to make sure that you wear just flats so that you're comfortable. It's almost like a slipper, and you can get around the airport in a really quick way and slide them on and off. I like to really wear flip-flops in the summer because my foot is open, it's easy, and it's really very quick for you to go in and out. This is also an option to wear a ballerina flat, so that way you have some coverage of your toes, keeping you a little bit warmer, but you're still comfortable. Then there's always the option of wanting to wear a heel while you're traveling. Sometimes you want to look good and you want to make sure that you're ready for the other side if you're meeting someone special. But you want to make sure that you're able to walk quickly, you're able to get in and out of the shoe, even if it is a heel. So I find open shoes that are heels work really well for that. So you can get in and out with a lot of buckles and a lot of nonsense, but you can still give yourself some height. It's good to have a good sturdy heel when you're traveling so you can make sure that you can walk quickly in case you're running late. Thanks so much for watching. This is Rebecca Mink from Mink Shoes.